Good morning, good morning. Just finished up a meeting with the team on syrup, what we're going to need through like July of next year. A lot of planning goes into it, honestly. So got the planning meeting done, and now I'm heading out to Joe's. The goal is I'm going to plow today. I've been a dirt farmer lately, and it's been fun. I've enjoyed my time with Joe. Just got off the phone with him. We got to go down to Palmer-Tooming, pick up the tire from the planter. You know, he said yesterday that tires and batteries, if you have a farm, he said I should buy stock in a tire company because he has tires all over the place, which is true. Farm implements, tires and batteries. That seems to be the bane of every farmer's existence. You get a lot of tires, you got a lot of tires to fix. So I kind of understand the track machines more and more as we continue to repair tires. Anyways, looking forward to plowing for the first time. I own a plow. My dad runs it. I've never actually run the plow. I'm more of a maintenance fixer-upper guy than I am a doer. You know, I enjoy building systems. I struggle with running and operating them consistently. I need problems to solve. So fixing things that break, I enjoy that. I'm not saying I'm good at it. I'm just saying I enjoy it. So Joe has his disc fell apart. He got a couple bearings that went bad, so he's got his disc torn apart. But I know my job today is we got to plow 10 acres before the rain comes. And that's going to take some time. But anyways, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you at the end. There you are. This is my Mantis Pod Pro, and I love this thing. If you're an aspiring YouTuber and you want to use your phone to do recording or anything to do recording, this Mantis Pod Pro is the best thing I've purchased. Got to get a shot of the tractor in this. We knew this one was broken. I hear him talking to himself. There's pieces and parts out. That's a bearing. Yeah, this is like gone. Must have really hit something there, buddy. Yeesh. So that's what that big rock hammer's for. So Joe's got two ends of this disc. He's got one off. He's got some bearings that went bad. I can hear him, he's ordering parts. He'll be in tomorrow, so let's just keep going. Keep moving forward. That's all you can do.
Ordering parts. I didn't even ask how much.
So what happened, Joe?
Well, this one, see the bearing gone?
Yeah, it kind of fell apart there.
Yeah.
It's in pieces. But you had an extra one, it looks like.
For here. But that gang locked up over there.
So you only had one extra bearing?
Right. I ordered 6 for tomorrow.
6 bearings?
Yeah.
You figured you'll be ready.
I always carry spares. You lose disc bearings all the time.
Yeah, it's a rough situation for those bearings.
How much dirt's down there where you're grinding?
Dirt, and I see this guy, he hit something hard here, buddy.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, that's not bad.
That's not bad?
That's just a nicky. That's a rock. That's a rock.
Yep.
Ordered a couple new discs.
So you won't even put that back in, or this still has life, right?
No, I'm putting that back in.
Oh, okay.
I could get by if that wasn't froze up.
Okay, so that last bearing down there. So you looked and you found one.
I thought I had 2, and I didn't.
That's just the way it goes. Let's get something done. Even if it's wrong.
We'll get that tire on.
Yep.
And we back it in. As soon as we drop that off, we're going to put the plow on. You're going to go.
All right, good. It's all Matt's fault.
Want to take this or yours?
We take mine.
I've got fuel and everything.
Yeah, let's just take mine. So Matt broke it.
Nah,
come on now. It's a better story if Matt broke it. I was trying to blame you, Matt, but Joe has your back.
Yeah, would I blame you? No.
What? I still think you'll get it in.
I do too.
There's a combine that burned up.
Yep.
Yeah, we should. I want to see that. Jeez. So this is what a combine fire looks like.
Yep.
Those are nice tires.
Yeah.
This is a little newer in yours, or the same exact thing?
Newer.
Wow.
About 5 years newer.
Look at that cab. No one was hurt, right, Joe?
No.
Jeez. Here's how you make the thumbnail for it. You go, burned up combine, and you make a face. See if I can do it. This will be my, what do you say? How do you say it? Like your thumbnail. Like, there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh.
Yep.
That's how you adjust.
That's adjusting it. All right, explain that to me.
The first thing you want to do is stand behind the plow.
Okay.
Make sure they got a little tilt to them so the points are pointing down.
I got you.
So it pulls the plow into the ground.
So it's kind of a simple design, but if you don't have your adjustments right, you're screwed.
Well, if you don't have adjustment, it won't go on the ground.
Gotcha.
That's why I left it up a little.
So, yeah,
And then when we drop that down in the ground, I'm going to have to up it a little more.
gotcha. So the first time round, your tires are up on the earth level, and you're just gonna go flat. And then once you come around your tires in a furrow, we have to angle the plow again.
Right.
Gotcha. All right, I got it. So Joe's happy with this setup. First time hooking her up to a LS. First time hooking up the plow. I'm excited, Bella.
You walk out towards the barn, should get about 10 feet of...
This is where we're sitting right here. No one can tell.
It's kind of nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
How much dirt's in this row?
Okay, so this
It should be flat as
I
this.
got you.
So you got too much dirt coming here. And that means when you tip this up, this is going to come up and you can get more dirt on the other two.
I got you. So you're just trying to smooth it out now that we're in a furrow.
Right. I gotta go up.
There you go.
Yeah. Now it's coming up this side. I'm gonna try it there.
All right. So really, once we get it set, then we can run this thing.
Yeah, then it's nice and even.
I got you. We're almost there.
You don't have all your draft control set.
No, I don't.
You got two different.
What's the one in the center by the armrest?
One's for the center. Puts pressure on that and tells the one to come up and down.
Wait. You're saying there's two draft controls?
Two.
So the one on the left, I didn't know what it
Those
did.
two right there.
Yeah, the two blue.
I'm going to set them for you.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead, get up there and explain them. Because I have no idea what they are. I always used to think there was one lever, an up and a down.
See here? This is up and down, and this is for the top pin to control the draft.
Gotcha. The top pin has its own hydraulic too?
Yeah, it allows it when it starts pulling hard, it'll come up.
Huh.
It'll just float in the field.
I got you.
Mine doesn't have that on my Kubota.
So what he's saying is, there's a hydraulic right here. There is. There's an actual hydraulic in behind there.
Yep.
Another adjustment?
Oh, perfect.
So you got to set up the plow. That's the moral of the story.
Raised up on a piece of ground south of 90. One stoplight northern town is where you'll find me. Heading away from the city life, bound to see my countryside just south of 90. And the corn's never grown so high south of 90. Smell of wood stove burning for miles right behind me. Sunday supper's ready to eat. All my kinfolk take a seat. We say grace. We thank God for our friends and family. Roof over our
Right down in there.
head,
She's gonna drive herself.
shoes on our feet. May not be much, but it's a slice of heaven. And we got it all with our calloused hands. Another day in the promised land, just south of 90. Snow never piled so high, south of 90. Get you a truck or get you assed up, kind of country. Drifting up about 2 lanes wide. Wild boys working overtime, stacking it all up. And we thank the good Lord for our friends and family. Roof over our heads from the clothes to the shoes on our feet.
That's a good day.
May not be much, but it's a slice of heaven.
So we got the plow set.
And we built it all with our calloused hands. Another day in the promised land, just south of 90. South of 90.
You get dirty doing this.
Found that out?
Yeah, you get dirty.
Yeah.
You get sweaty, you get thirsty.
You come home, your wife tells you stink.
Yep.
She actually told you that?
She did. Last night at the baseball game, she said, I can smell you from over here. Yeah, I had that good man odor going.
Did she like you still?
Yeah, she just didn't sit next to me. Well, she did. She probably didn't like me. So we got baseball games tonight. Benny's got a game. John Boy's got a game.
You gonna make it?
I might.
You should.
Yep, I'll make it.
All right, thanks.
Yep. We'll see you in the morning.
Move over our heads from the clothes to the shoes on our feet. May not be much, but it's a slice of heaven. And we built it all with our calloused hands. Another day in the promised land, just south of 90. South of 90.
Well, that was a pretty good day. We got the fertilizer put away. We got the tire on the planter. Planter's put under cover so we don't get it rained on. Joe's gonna move his combine indoors so he doesn't get rained on inside the hopper. We started the plow, so we got the plow set up, hooked up to the LS and started plowing. And we're set up pretty good for tomorrow. Joe's gonna work on his disc and get that set up. He's got to PM his Kubota. And we're moving along. We're doing well. So thanks for stopping by. Catch you in the next episode.
One for strong, and it ain't no lie. Proud to live till the day we die.
Yeah, baby.
Just south of 90.
Nate Bissell, the action cameraman. The most huscular cameraman on YouTube.
Raised up on a piece of ground just south of 90.
That's how I roll.
A one-stop light northern town in this great country.